truck you see behind me? Check out this paint job. I think it looks pretty good. On my coveralls. It's like a mirror image. Except this is an outrigger. It's pretty awesome. Orange peel, but see on my forehead. But overall, not a bad thing. That view is actually pretty cool. Mirror image. But yeah, got all this, the frame and the subframe. I started unmasking already. Issue we had is on here. There are some craters that happened. I wonder if, yeah, you can see some of them. Yeah. I mean, it still looks pretty good. Let's see. Yeah, yellow you can barely see, but you can see in the lights, yeah. Still looks pretty good.